Hello, my name is Sampath. I am chef for the Denmark Embassy Tokyo, Japan. So today I am going to make lever pate. From the Denmark language we are call it lever postai. As a main ingredient for the lever pate, we are using pork liver, mince, and pork fat. And if you cannot get the pork fat, you can also use lard and grated onion, crushed pepper, flour, allspice, bay leaves, salt, butter, bacon, nutmeg, and egg, and skim milk. If you don't get the skim milk, you can use also like regular milk. Okay, from the beginning I'm going to make the lever pate. So I'm going to heat my pan and medium fire. Basically I'm going to make the roux. Butter. So after that I'm going to add my flour. Then milk slowly. This is like basic roux. Maybe everyone knows about the roux, yeah? If you not put like slowly and otherwise this all flour mixer will be lumpy. You have to it will be melt nicely like this. When the sauce is getting warm, I'm going to add my onion mixer. And after the grated onion, I'm going to add my allspice, nutmeg, black pepper and salt. So after that I'm going to add pork fat. And when is the pork fat is melt, I'm going to add my minced pork liver. You doesn't have to here like cook, just only warm the sauce, because anyhow we are going to bake it in the oven later. Here we want to mix all together and a nice consistency for our mixer. That's it. So after that I'm going to off the heat. We have to keep until it become like room temperature, like 25 to 27 centigrade. So that's why we have to stir it well, as always. Now leopate is getting cold, like room temperature. So after that, I'm going to add my eggs. Stir very well. Done. I'm going to put into the mold. We have to a little bit brush the butter just lightly. If you don't have this kind of mold, you can use this remedy. Warm water. Until become your mold like 3/4 until here. Here I put some bay leaves like this for the flavor, and bacon. Then my oven already preheated 165 degree, and I'm going to bake it around 45 minutes. But always you can check until become the leopate is like caramelized. It's almost done. Leopate is ready. Now I'm going to take out from the oven. A nicely caramel color on the top. That's what we want to look like.
Very good. This is something that is very traditional in Denmark. It is something that goes way back to when you start as a kid to remember what you eat. I remember when I went to school, you always have open-faced sandwiches in your school food package, and you bring it from home and your mother make it in the morning. And there will always be a piece of lever pate or pate as one of the pieces you get. So when we have open-faced sandwiches like this, we always use rye bread as the base for open-faced sandwiches.
When kids go to school, they will have in their lunchbox, they will just have a simple one, just with the liver pate on it, maybe a slight cucumber or something. And then the difference is that if it's more of a party time, you will dress it up a bit more, just like Sampat has done. This is New Nordic, because there's been added a few flowers as well. So this is very New Nordic. And it's something you can definitely do at home. So you should definitely go ahead and try and do that.